Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So guys, I'm going to share with you what is actually going to make altcoins start pumping from now. Pay attention guys, altcoins start pumping from now. If this scenario I'm going to actually share with you is actually going to play out very well. So let us actually dive in to Bitcoin. You know why? Bitcoin controls almost all the cryptocurrency in the market, which means that if Bitcoin should actually drop, then you should actually likely expect altcoins to actually drop. So this is what I'm going to share with you guys. Let's move into the 4-hour time frame to actually check what is happening in the 4-hour time frame. Now guys, you can currently see that we have been consolidating for this now, and you can actually see it here consolidating for this now from this level. After we actually pump from this level down, up, we are also down again, and likely guys we are actually going to retest this up, right? So let us actually pay attention because we are actually trading at this box for the main time, right? So let us actually talk about what is currently happening, the bullish scenario that we are currently seeing in the market right now. So guys, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can currently see that the volume of Bitcoin is currently dropping in price, and if we start having high volume again, then we're actually going to see the next move that is actually going to come in the price of Bitcoin. So guys, let us actually pay attention to this very well, right? Now guys, if you can actually check at this area where this pink line actually come this up and the yellow line come, you can actually see that there was a cross between the pink line and the yellow line at this area. You can actually see this cross here where the yellow line cross above it and the pink line cross below it, guys. Now what is happening right now in the crypto market, we can actually see the same scenario which also plays out at this same point, right? The yellow line also cross above the pink line and the pink line cross below the yellow line, which makes us to actually have this rise move to the upside going above $52,000 in the price of Bitcoin. Now ladies and gentlemen, what is yet to come in the price of Bitcoin is that currently right now we have also created the same pattern. We have crossed above the pink line and the pink line have crossed below the yellow line, which is showing a sign of bullish also here, right? But this is not something we need to actually pay attention because it has also happened at this area, right? It has also happened at this area, which we also cross, right? It didn't also move higher, right? But this is something that we need to pay attention, that likely we are getting ready for that big move, right? We are actually getting ready for that big move at this area right here. So what is very important is that we are actually going to mark out the bullish scenario, which means that at the area of 52,000, which we have this top here, and coming, you can actually see that anytime we actually come to the level to retest back, that means this level inside here is a very big pattern we need to actually pay attention to if we are to rise and enter inside this range of 52,000 above, right? Then we're actually going to see having that confirmation of breaking above 52,250. I mean 53,250. Once we confirm that breaking above 53,250, there is a high chance we're actually going to pump more higher in the price of Bitcoin, and this is actually going to make altcoins to start pumping in the market. Now I'm going to actually show you another scenario that many altcoins right now are creating, right? Let us actually go to top gainers in the Binance app, right? So if we check the top gainers, right, we have COTO, abi what do you call it? So we're actually going to talk about this, right? This right now is currently pumping and is currently trending in the crypto space right now. So we're actually going to take a view of this, and you can actually see how this has been pumping in the 4 hour time frame. Let us actually zoom in the 1 day time frame, because this is the 1 day time frame I'm actually using to analyze. So I'm not actually paying attention to coins that have actually pumped. So what I'll be looking for is coin that is just start pumping, right? And secondly, Pepe is one of the coin that which I've mentioned, right? So I'm going to search for Pepe, because this is one of the coin I have actually did video about, right? So we can actually see Pepe start pumping, right? So we have to go to Pepe slash USDT. Pepe slash USDT, we have to view the chart, right? Now, if you look at this pattern, this is what right now, guys, the big scenario here is that focus on any altcoins that is not pumping that have this scenario, right? What you have to focus is, you can currently see that we are crossing right now. The yellow line is currently crossing above the blue line. This is what paying attention, and this is likely going to make Pepe to actually explode more higher in price, even breaking above this high you see over here. Right now, let me show you why I think so. Right, you can actually see here how this play out in the past, right, where we actually have the blue and yellow cross, right? We actually exploded from here, right, gaining even more high, we didn't come down to that level again. We even gained more high in the price, right, before actually breaking below again. And right now again is repeating. So we know how to actually set ourselves. Find any coin that is actually setting this scenario where the blue and yellow line is actually crossing out, and buy that coin, guys. And also, guys, this is the setting. Make sure you're actually looking at the volume, and make sure you're actually putting MA, right? This is the setup. You can actually see that we have bounced from the low, right? This is what I was actually explaining in my video, the video I have actually did about Pepe, that this is actually going to make Pepe to actually explode. I did that video around somewhere around this area, or this dump here, right? And right now, guys, Pepe have actually gained even more than 15% increase in price, right? We can actually see everything play out here. With this cross that is happening over here, there is a high chance we are actually going to explode more in the price of Pepe here. So we need to actually pay attention to that. Just actually look at all these coins that are actually start pumping, right? We are not actually talking about the one that actually exploded just like this one, right? Check out the coins that want to explode just like these ones, and you can actually create a good investment opportunity on that. We can actually pay attention, guys. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Like I said, this is actually going to make altcoins to start exploding in the market, right? And I'll be making a video talking about the two ecosystem I'm currently holding, the two crypto ecosystem I'm currently holding, which is AI ecosystem and BROC20 ordinance ecosystem. So we need to pay attention. I'll be making video about that. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you next time. Goodbye. Like this video, guys.